Welcome back to another tutorial for the YouCut app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from your videos. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouCut application on your device. And once you are in the homepage, you can tap on the plus icon to work on any of your old projects or create a new one. Now here I have a video of a person running. If I want to remove the background and only keep the main character within the video, then first of all I will need to tap on the video layer and then scroll towards the right. Here we can find the cutout option. If we tap on this, it will take a few seconds for the application to recognize and cut out only the person within the video. Once the cutout is complete, as you can see, everything else apart from the person has been removed from the video. So this has effectively removed the background from this footage. Now if we want to add a different background, then make sure the video track is unselected. And now if we scroll towards the right, we can find the background option. Here we have various different presets that we can use as a background for our video. We can also tap on the gallery icon to choose a custom image or even a video. Once you are done, you can tap on the tick mark and then press the save button to proceed with exporting. So there you have it. That is how you can remove a background from your video on the YouCut app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.